How to add debit card to Skrill. But before that, if you don't know what is Skrill, it is a digital wallet and online payment platform that allows users to send, receive, and store money securely over the internet, in which it supports a wide range of international transactions, including online purchases, money transfers, and even cryptocurrency trading. But now to start adding a debit card to your Skrill account, the first thing that you need to do is to simply download it on your mobile phone or use it using the web. And after that, from here, after signing in, it will show you the dashboard of Skrill. This is basically what it looks like. And just proceed by going on the left side panel and kindly click the deposit since you're trying to create a transaction in here. And after that, below it will show you a variety of options and just click the credit or debit card button. By doing so, we can simply select either to select the debit card in here. And if you're now done, you can simply click the button right here. You should be able to see the button deposit now. Once you try to click this deposit now button below credit or debit card, from here the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the CVV code or security code of your debit card. And after that, just click add card button to proceed. Now by doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter your debit card number and also your expiration date and even save the card details if you want to. And once done, you have now successfully adhere your debit card. So basically that is just how you can start adding your debit card to Skrill.